Hi everyone, I'm back here with another Hanon exercise, Hanon exercise number 23, and today we'll be having a look at exercising those third, fourth and fifth fingers of both our hands. And if you are new to the channel, please remember to like and subscribe, as well as to turn on the notifications to not miss any new videos in the future. Also check out the whole entire series of the Hanon exercises. We're up to exercise number 22 and I aim to finish all the exercises in due time. Let's get started. So in Hanon exercise number 23, we'll have a little bit of a repeat of the first part of that sequence, and then we're going to do a slight stretch in order to move the sequence forward each time we repeat it. So I'm going to start here on middle C, but remember, once you're ready, you can play it hands together. Do it 2 octaves, starting on C below for the right hand and the left hand lower, and then doing 2 octaves ascending and 2 octaves descending. Remember, most of these exercises have repeats, so remember to repeat as well. Right, let's start having a look at the right hand. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Stretching my pinky up to A. Moving my hand so that each finger has a key. 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3. And that's the sequence. Now we just continue. Remembering to move ahead as we play. And we're going to do this up until we get to B. And then we are ready to do our descending. And the descending just works the opposite. We're going to start with our pinky this time. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. And then moving our thumb 1 key down, moving our hand down as well, so that we have a finger for each key again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, and that's the sequence, and then we continue. Repeating that first part, moving the thumb down. And then when we get to A, we are going to do the same thing. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, stretching our thumb down. 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, ending on our thumb. The left hand works the same, it's just the inverted what we've done for the right hand. So we're going to start here with our left hand. 5, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 4, 5. The thumb stretches up. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. And we just continue normally, stretching each time. Until we get to the B again, and then we're going to do the same, stretching, and we are ready to do descending. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, stretching the pinky down this time 1 key. 5, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, and we continue. And so on until we get to the A again. Stretching down once again. Doing a 3, 5 for the ending. If we put it hands together, ascending and descending, it will look like so. Both stretch up 1. Ending on 3s, and we are ready to start with the second sequence. Stretching. And we are ready for descending. Stretching down once. Getting to the A. One more stretch down. 3, 5 in the left and 3, 1 in the right. And that's the whole Hanon exercise number 23. Enjoy the practicing. Take it slow at first, slowly increasing the speed as you get better and build more confidence.